The boat trip was great. But I don't think TripAdvisor is very accessible to people who don't speak English. I consider that a major drawback. We booked the excursion for my birthday with Bluefin. They're catamarans that let you fully experience sailing the Caribbean Sea. Unlimited drinks and a delicious lunch are included. Alcoholic beverages are available in the second half of the excursion, and they offer drinks throughout the return trip. After 2 hours, we arrived at a beautiful white sand island in the middle of the sea. The waters were incredibly blue and clear. The crew was truly friendly and cheerful. One recommendation: bring sunscreen. You'll be in the strong sun for a long time. Great all-day trip. Crew was very helpful. And great hosts. Kids got 2 thumbs up. Would do again if we return to the island. Beautiful excursion, though a bit pricey in my opinion. The journey from departure to destination takes 1.5 hours, which can be difficult at times. We encountered quite a lot of traffic on the way there. The captain was great and communicated before the trip. He asked if we could flex to the next day instead. We were on island time, so of course. At check-in, they thanked us for being flexible. We took a fast boat to the island and saw flying fish on the way. We took our son, his wife, and my parents. My parents still can't stop bragging to everyone this was their best day of their lives. Lunch was delicious. Highly recommend. Amazing experience: beautiful beach and exploring shipwrecks and lighthouse on the beach. Nice snorkeling in the bright clear blue water. Enrique and Elvis were amazing guides and amazing captain and co-captain. Would do this again for sure. Booking online was easy, and payment was made upon departure. It was a bit cheaper than other options, but it was almost a private tour since there were 6 of us and 2 other people. Both the captain and the crew were very friendly throughout. The trip started at 8:30 a.m., about an hour and a half journey. It was a bit bumpy on the way there, but very calm on the return, very punctual. They offered coffee/tea and a sandwich for breakfast, followed by individual lunches on the island, salads, meat, chicken. There were always drinks and ice available, juices, sodas, iced tea, beer, vodka, wine, rum. We had 4 hours on the beach before heading back. It was all quite pleasant. While you can find these types of tours for a bit less in other countries, prices in Curacao are similar. But it felt very private, so it was definitely worth it. It's a place worth visiting if you're in Curacao. The boat was comfortable and looked well maintained. The island was a sight to see. Amazing colorful water, chill vibes, and cool lighthouse and picture-perfect shipwreck. We had a truly fantastic day. The food was delicious. The crew was fantastic. A wonderful boat for crossing the ocean. We immediately booked 2 more activities for next week.